Welcome dear students. Till now we have completed our symbol, and now it's time to let's check the properties of this symbol. Before going into properties, let me show you one thing, that currently you are seeing that there is a static on the library and on the symbol which we have now created, drawn. This is because we have not saved our symbol. So keep in mind that you should save your symbols while you are drawing it. So go over here. If I hit save all changes, you can see that the static vanishes. This means that our current symbol is now saved. So let's move towards the properties. Over here, display symbol properties. Click on this. You will see library symbol properties. The first field is reference designator. We have choose U for our IC. Then the next field is value. So let me enter PCA 9505. This is the value of our symbol which we have drawn. Now in the footprint, you can add footprint to the IC to this symbol by clicking over here. And as you can see in the data sheet that our IC had a package that is TSSOP56. So let's search for this package in the footprint library. So this is package SO. Then we can see over here as we scroll down that there is this TSSOP 2428. Then let's go to find over here 56. So these are bunch of footprints for TSSOP 56. Let me filter out over searching here by TSSOP-56. So these are the packages, the footprints that we are going to use, but only one footprint will match with our symbol. So let's check the dimensions of our footprint. The dimensions for the footprint are provided at the end of our schematic. As you can see over here, this is for TSSOP 56. You can see over here that we have first of all, the thing is we have the width E, that is 6.2. we have the length, that is D, and it is 14.1. so let's check in the 6 into 14 point. This is 6.1 into 14. And let's check the pitch. The pitch is E. So in the data sheet you can see the pitch is 0.5 mm. So we have a pitch of 0.5 mm. So this is our footprint for our symbol, which we are gonna attach with our symbol. So let's click over here. Let's double click it. This will add the footprint with our symbol. The next field is datasheet. You can also add datasheet, or simply you can paste a link over here. As you can see, I have this datasheet over here. Let me copy the link and paste the link in the datasheet. So you can add more fields by clicking over here. You can add any other field you want. Currently I don't have the requirement to add any fields. The next thing is symbol name, which is PCA9505. A little description of the symbol. You can say PCA9505 pin number, or you can write pin count 56, package SSOP-56. So you can write bunch of keywords over here. In the general setting, you can see there are number of units as is 1, as our symbol is only in a single unit. In the coming videos I am going to make symbols for with multiple units. So you can do pin text options like you want to show pins, show pin names, place pin name insides, and position offset. These are bunch of settings you can see, and hit OK. Now we have added our datasheet and footprint, and added some of its properties, and hit OK. Another thing, let's just save it. Now we have completed our symbol and added properties of the symbol. You can another method to change the pin numberings and the electrical type or all the other settings. Go on the top, here is the table, display pin table for bulk editing. Click on this. This will open up a table in which it says count, number pin numbers. These are all the 56 pins over here, with the name which we have written down while we were drawing this symbol. This is electrical type. You can change the graphic style over here. You can change by clicking over here, change the graphic style. You can change even the length, the X position. So in this way you can also change this heading. Let me show you. Let's change the pin number 1 SDA. For the sake I say I2C. Okay, now hit OK. You can now see that my pin name has changed. Let's turn this back. Oh, sorry. Click over here and let's remove this, as the symbol in the datasheet have SDA. Hit OK and hit save. Now our symbol is complete. Let's see how this looks in our schematic editor. Let's open the schematic. Let's add our symbol over here, that is PCA. I have already filtered it out. Now you can see that we have also a footprint over here. Let me show you again. Before we were checking, we didn't attach any footprint and this field was empty, but now it has a footprint attached with it. Let me cancel it out. Let me show you. If I go to symbol in the properties, let's remove this footprint, hit OK. And now in the symbol editor, if I add in the schematic editor, when I add symbol, you can find first of all we have to save this. I have saved it now. Now go to schematic editor, click over here, then you can now see that there is no it says no footprint specified. So we can attach footprint with our symbol in this way. Let me do it again. Go over here and this is the selected 614.5 pitch. Double click over here, footprint is added, click OK. Do not forget to save all changes. Then go to schematic editor, add your symbol by clicking on the schematic add symbol tool, and now you can see you have a footprint already attached with this. Hit OK and you can place your symbol over here. This is one way to create your symbol in this way. The other thing is you can also do is in the symbol editor you can make your all the ports on one side, all the port 5 port banks on one side, and all the other pins like SDA, SCL and reset, int, output enable and address lines on the left side are it's all about your preference, your choice, how you feel comfortable while drawing your symbol. So in this way you draw your symbol in KiCad using symbol editor tool.